Greetings, St. Maarten. I come to you today as your Prime Minister as we celebrate St. Maarten Day, this day of our land, our home, our heritage, this day of our people. St. Maarten Day is not just a holiday, it is a representation of our unity. It is the physical manifestation of generations-long efforts that our people have fought to preserve. Despite all odds, we have remained steadfast in our togetherness, brothers and sisters across borders sharing one culture. Marching hand in hand, we have wrung out our voices across the seas and battled with giants, sometimes victorious and other times licking our wounds, but at all times with our hands held in solidarity. This year's celebration is a significant one, a historical one, particularly because given the decisions made by both governments, which will culminate in the signing of an agreement with our family to the north, to use the St. Maarten unity flag as a joint cultural symbol of the affirmation of the unity and identity of the people of our island. This is the commemoration of the unity of the people in this regard. It solidifies what we already know to be true, a testament of how far we've come as a nation of people with two constitutions, one island, one people, unified in the goal of holding our shared culture, our way of being and living above all else. St. Maarten Day will forever be about the people, as was envisioned by the pioneers of this celebration, and we honor them with the addition of this cultural symbol of unity. Our foods, cultural wear, local designers, artists, dances, dancers, songs, and traditions will be celebrated this day, but should be revered and supported every single day. It is our collective goal to ensure that these traditions that we hold dear as one St. Maarten people will continue to be recorded, to be taught, and shared through the generations, knowing that each generation, honoring our ancestors, will indelibly put their own stamp on who we are and who we will be as we continue to progress. Another pivotal point in our history is the creation of our National Development Vision of St. Maarten. The National Development Vision of St. Maarten is a result of inclusive dialogues based on a diagnosis of our current state of affairs, the potential of our economy, and our people. Our vision reflects our future while being strongly aware of our past, our bonds, our current challenges, and strengthened by the wisdom of lessons learned. The marriage of unity and vision is one that will lead to the expansion of long-lasting progress. We will speak of days like this in the history books and create a framework for a St. Maarten our children are proud to call our own. St. Maarten is my home, Swaliga, Walichi, my sweet St. Maarten land. 37 square miles of lush rolling hills and plains, ponds, seas, and beautiful people. Today is a great day to be a St. Maartener, to be one who is connected to and loves St. Maarten, to be someone who believes in the forward motion of this country. I am St. Maarten, you are St. Maarten, and it falls on each one of us as a people to band together with a shared vision and commitment to work together to propel this country in the right direction. So let's think of it, let's dream of it, and let's work to make it a reality. Mandela once said, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. United, we can accomplish so much more. And St. Maarten is a true example of that. Happy St. Maarten Day 2022. Happy celebration our unity as one island, one people, one destiny.